We were just passing Castleblaney in County Monaghan, and we decided to call in to our very good customers, Treanor Stone Tec. Treanor actually has a unit out here in the graveyard in Ballyboy. They are long-term customers of ours. They've had multiple machines over the years. They also have our diesel compressor. So this is our 105 CFM diesel compressor. This was sold to them in 2023. This is perfect because it only weighs around 600 kilos, very easy to move it, very light machine to move around, very easy to move around here in the very skinny graveyards. And as you can see, we have a 30 or 40 meter airline going all the way down to the grave site, and the blasting machine is down there. They are using the applied 20 litre blasting machine, and they're using garnet as an abrasive to engrave into the granite. So we'll let them set up, and then we'll get a couple of shots of them blasting and doing the engraving.